So today I'll be testing out this Greenworks Pro 80 volt hedger. It comes with a 144 watt hour battery, 80 volts. It's right at 23 inches from the edge of the tooth to the edge of the tooth. Some of the features here include the safeties on the hand grip here. So you got these on both sides. So the handle here with the throttle has a lever. You could rotate it in 45-degree increments to the right or left. For your controls here, you have the power, and then you have reverse in case it gets jammed. So the battery will go right into the center of the unit here. It does have the power readings. You can push that and see 3 bars how much more power you have left in the battery. To start the unit, you first gotta press the power button, and you see a green light up there. And then you gotta pull one of the safety buttons on the hand grip up on top. Then it will go. And reverse just reverses out. It does like 1 cycle. It'll be lit up, push it, and the light goes out. And to take out the battery, so look inside the cavity there, you can see some springs. You got about 1 3/8 inches between each of the cutters here. This side's about 1 1/4 inches. So it has a variable speed throttle. One thing I didn't like as much is there's a lot of play here before it even engages. Okay, so I'm gonna go do some cutting on a bunch of greenery, some trees, some bushes, and see how it does. Varying thicknesses from 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, all the way down to 1/8 inch. And we'll just go to town and see how it does. Time to move. This Greenworks Pro charger is a massive 320 watt hour charger. And so this 144 watt hour battery will get charged just over 20 minutes. It's not completely flat. I still have 2 bars left, so it'll get charged quite quickly. There is a fan in it, so when you plug it in here, it'll draw air through the battery and out the bottom of the charger to keep it cool while charging. So there you have it, the Greenworks Pro 80 volt hedger.